The most common propulsion system is the steam-powered catapult. A pair of cylinders are hidden under the flight deck in line with the runway. Inside, there are two pistons. The pistons connect to the plane through slots on the top of each cylinder to the front wheel. They fill the cylinders with pressurized steam, which shoots the pistons and the plane forward. To prevent the steam from escaping, they fit two strips of flexible metal to act like zippers and reseal the slots as the pistons pass through. The strength of the catapult is adjusted for each plane to ensure correct takeoff speed. Any plane taking off of an aircraft carrier needs an assisted takeoff, since they only have a few hundred feet or so of runway. The F-18s take off from the aircraft carrier at 240 miles per hour. The typical cruise speed of an F-18 is 580 knots at high altitude and 720 knots at low altitude. The Hornet is capable of reaching Mach speed of 1.8. To put that in perspective, the cruising speed of a Cessna 152 is 0.16 Mach speed. To land on the flight deck of a carrier, the pilot must snag the plane's tailhook on one of 4 arresting wires stretched across the flight deck. The 4 parallel arresting wires are spaced about 50 feet apart. They are attached on both ends to a system of hydraulic cylinders below deck. When the wire is pulled out, the hydraulic cylinder system absorbs the energy to bring the plane to a stop. The pilots never shoot for the first wire, because it is dangerously close to the edge of the deck. If they come in too low on the first wire, they could easily crash into the stern of the ship. Pilots are aiming for the third wire, as it is the safest and most effective target. It's acceptable to snag the second or fourth wire, but for a pilot to move up through the ranks, he or she has to be able to catch the third wire consistently. When any plane lands on an aircraft carrier, it must go full throttle at landing. In case their tailhook misses a wire, they can go around and try again, instead of falling off the end of the ship.